Interrupted with the Fruity Video Player 64 DLL blocking image line workflow? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting for Fruity Video Player 64, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This is the Fruity Video Player 64, the 64-bit engine library for the FL Studio video player. It manages the real-time syncing of video frames to the DOU timeline. If missing, producers will be unable to compose music to picture, as the video preview window will remain blank or report plugin failed to load. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. When Fruity Video Player 64 DLL is reported as missing, it often points to a corrupted graphics stack. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to fix legacy DirectX components, and ensure your GPU drivers are updated if the file is associated with CUDA, OpenCL, or OpenGL. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Fruity Video Player 64. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and re-establishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Please keep in mind that manual replacement of Fruity Video Player 64 DLL carries a high operational risk. Using unverified files can cause irreparable damage to your Windows registry and lead to total system instability. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. If you're exploring professional monitoring options, the software linked below provides general diagnostic information for Fruity Video Player 64. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Fruity Video Player 64 error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.